What if I told you that most service-based business owners don't need to spend a month of marketing and content creation? Instead, if they focus on these 5 simple messaging mistakes and they can actually implement them right now, they can actually shorten the time and the mistakes and get much better results. So let me show you how. Mistake number 1, it is all about generic content, meaning if somebody walks in on your website and they go and see what you have written down, you're speaking to everybody, but you're really speaking to nobody. So how you fix this? You try to say what makes you unique, what makes your business unique from anybody else, but also you are identifying with who your ideal client is, who you actually want to work with. And that is how you fix on your website, but even on your social media posts, how you relate to them, how you say, oh, I do this this way. Now, mistake number 2 is all about them. It is not about you, meaning nobody really cares your expertise or the years or the clients that you have. Some people do, some people don't, but in general, people don't care about you. People actually care how you can help them. So how are you going to fix this? You're going to be shifting what you say towards the customer. You're going to exactly explain to them how your services, how you can actually bridge the gap on where they are and where they want to be, how exactly you can provide that help through your words. They need to understand in a matter of minutes that what you do solved their problem. Now, mistake number 3 is talking really technical. Sometimes because we have these studies and we know this jargon of how to communicate, we tend to overcomplicate our words. And the simplest way to actually fix this problem is to be as clear as you can. I don't know if you've heard before, but we sometimes say, oh, say it to me as if I'm a 5-year-old. Exactly. You have to assume that people actually don't know what you're saying. It's like, remember lawyers. Lawyers talk in lawyer talk. Doctors speak in doctor talk. You got to speak to who you want to attract. So your words need to be as clear and as concise and not fluffy words like stuck and mindset and these sort of words that we actually express, but they mean nothing to somebody that is probably either reading or listening to you. Now, mistake number 4 is a clear call to action. Sometimes we write things and we don't actually send anybody to where we want them to go. We simply just stop it and that's it. And the way to actually fix this is that you have to be telling people exactly where you want them to go, how you want them to do. You want them to download your freebie. You want them to sign up for a call. You want them to fill up a form. Whatever it is, you only have to remember that whatever you're selling, whatever you're doing, whatever you want to get out of people, is that you always need to have the end in mind. So having a clear call to action from the beginning, it is crucial so that people actually, you can follow up and they can get what they want. And mistake number 5, it is not being consistent with your messaging. If you're switching from LinkedIn to Instagram and you're changing your tone of voice and your communication and people don't understand, and the way to fix it is you actually need to have a brand messaging strategy, meaning that you should have the same tone of voice, the same communication, the same style through all your social media platforms, on your email, on your social media, on your website. It should all be consistent. Okay, so I hope these are helpful for you. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave me some comments below. Bye.